Good morning, boys and girls. I'm going to show you how to get on Freckle. Freckle is a new website that we are going to use. Mrs. Wilson and I have looked a lot at Freckle, and we really like the information that is presented to you guys, and also the information we can get by looking at Freckle. To get on Freckle, you're always going to look for the pig. Here I am in Kaylin's account, and Kaylin has actually clicked the heart next to Freckle, and it makes her Freckle appear at the very top. If your Freckle, your pig, is not up at the top, you will just scroll down and you will find Freckle, and you will click on the pig. Clicking on Freckle, it's going to bring this up to you. You want to click on your homeroom teacher's name. So here, your homeroom teacher, her homeroom teacher is Mrs. Wilson. She'll click on Mrs. Wilson. If you click on any of these other teachers, you won't find any assignments. So you need to click on your homeroom teacher. This will be either Mrs. Wilson or Mrs. Gregoire. After that, I want you to always click on homeroom. Here is homeroom. Here where you'll find your assignments. Down at the bottom, you can see it says assignments, and there's a red circle with a 1. This means Kaylin has 1 assignment. She's going to click on her book bag. With the subject title, Math, 1 assignment. ELA, there is nothing here. It says there are no ELA assignments today. So this is the assignment that she needs to complete for today. She will click on the assignment. Here it's going to give her questions. If you want to hear the question, you want it read to you, you can click the speaker and it will read it to you. This will give us a hint. It will help you understand the question. You can also have the hint read to you. This will play you a video so you can help learn this skill. Here you can write and take notes on the notepad part of it if you would like to. Here would be different manipulatives. Since she's learning about base 10, it gives us a different base 10, a number line, all sorts of different items that we can use over here. And if you click on the item, if you needed a counter, it brings it up over here for you. Here's the eraser, and I can erase my different things. Down here, there will be different options where you can click on an answer, or you would be able to type in an answer. When you are all finished with your question, so in this one it says, in the number 555, how many times larger is the value of the digit in the tens place than the value of the digit in the ones place? I know the answer is 10 times, so I click on 10 times and I hit submit. In the number 2,222, how many times larger is the value of the digit in the tens place than the digit in the ones place? The tens place is 10 times the digit in the ones place. How many groups of 60 would you need to make 600? I need to go ahead and type my answer down here, and I need 10 groups. I have 100% accuracy. I have mastered it. So now I have earned some coins, and you will get to spend your coins later. I have finished my assignment for today. I am all done. I will hit log out, and your teacher can see that you have finished.